Hello, this is Jaime Byrd, and I am coming to you from Fairview, North Carolina, about 30 minutes right outside of Asheville. We have been one of the hardest hit areas. The devastation and destruction has not just been in our community, but in our lives as well. I am starting this GoFundMe page because we have had flooding at our home and a lot of damage, but also our business. And my art gallery, that was a brand new art gallery that I had just opened 8 months ago, has been completely destroyed. I was lucky enough to be able to get a few original paintings out of the gallery before they were destroyed, but not all of them. Our roads have been closed for most of this last 8 days due to washouts with very little access. We were finally able to get in a couple of days ago and make it into the River Arts District, where for the first time we got to see the true destruction of what happened to my art gallery. I can't tell you how devastating this is for us, and it was difficult for me to even make the decision that we were willing to rebuild. I pretty much thought this was going to be it, that I didn't have the spirit or the ability or the strength to be able to rebuild, but now that we finally caught our breath, this is day 8, I'm feeling like I just can't give up. But in order for us to do this, we cannot do it without help. Not only did we lose a lot of paintings, but we lost thousands of dollars in prints, in custom frames, in office supplies, all our furniture, our kitchen, which was everything that you can think of in a kitchen. We lost our iPads, our printers, our monitors, and a very expensive photography camera and equipment. The list goes on. And once we assessed most of that, we have discovered that we're probably in the range of about $60,000 to get back and running again. The entire River Arts District has just been destroyed. I'm not the only one going through this, and so I will help other artists as much as I can. Now that I'm kind of getting above the crisis mode, I plan on helping other artists get supplies to try to recover some of their work, whatever I can do. So this money isn't just going to my business, but hopefully it's going to help some other people as well. So any little bit of help is going to help us out. Hopefully FEMA will help with our home, but they do not help with small businesses. This is our livelihood. This was my dream gallery that I'd wanted for so long. To see it wiped away in one day is one of the most devastating things, and I know people who have lived through these kind of disasters understand what I'm talking about. I really am asking for any kind of help. We're going to offer prints, paintings, whatever I have available. And the other most important thing is I promise when we are back on our feet that I will pay this forward in some way. I'm trying to do this without crying too much. So I'm encouraging people to please spread the word, share our website, make sure that people understand that we need some help, and that hopefully we'll be able to get back on our feet. It's going to be a long haul. It's going to be at least 3 months or more. And then who knows how much longer before people will come back. If you would like to donate money, please do so here, or at least order a painting, order a print. We may not be able to ship it out right away, but I promise it will make it to you at some point. Thank you so much. And I cannot tell you how much we appreciate any kind of help, any small gesture at all. Thanks.